I've always secretly wanted to know how to make my own body butter. But I always end up with something like this. Because I've always been taught by somebody like this. Isn't there another way?
That's why I created Simply Earth's DIY Body Care Recipe Box. The easiest way to make natural DIY body care products so you don't have to put toxic sludge on your body anymore. Warning, our products may cause excessive compliments. Handle flattery responsibly.
Your skin is beautiful. Thank you, I know. This is all I need?
Yup, you'll unlock the therapeutic powers of natural ingredients, make soothing whipped body butters, your own lip balms, a diffuser blend, and more.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'll show you. You don't have to figure out how to make your own natural products on your own, and you don't have to rely on confusing influencers. Click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your DIY recipes in 10 minutes or less. Don't wait! This monthly box sells out fast!
But how does this work?
I'm so glad you asked. Certified 100% pure oils are delivered monthly to your door. Follow simple tutorials and guides creating everyday products. Ditch the toxins and release nature's magic. Our essential oils are 100% certified pure and are from amazing farms like these.
This smells amazing, and it's even backed up by a GCMS test. But is it worth the cost?
We sell direct, saving you boatloads compared to MLM brands. You'll even save more money by making your own products. Sign up today and you'll get a free big bonus box, hero course, an amazing community, free shipping, exclusive discounts, and no commitments if you want to skip or pause your subscription. If you like a good offer, subscribe today and look good this winter with your own DIY natural body care products.
But what if I don't like what's in the box?
This is all backed by our 60-day Earth-tastic guarantee.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
We want everyone to know the joy of turning natural ingredients into natural products.
Is that why I see so much in this box?
You'll get Simply Earth's body oil base, mango butter, and this cute cosmetic tin.
Wow, what oils do I get?
You'll get lavender to learn how to calm irritated skin, relief essential oil blend to soothe muscles and joints, promote youthful skin with Juniper berry, get energized with the aroma of Cajeput.
And with a new theme each month, I'm gonna master how to use essential oil and natural ingredients with a new way each box. This is life-changing!
Achieve your DIY goals and get the Simply Earth DIY Body Care Box right now. Subscribe now.
Wow, that really is amazing.